Introducing Great Day's Road Dog Travel Kennel and the Big Dog Travel Kennel. The Big Dog Travel Kennel by Great Day is designed to be used in open truck beds, trucks with toppers and camper shells, or in larger SUVs. Great Day's Road Dog Travel Kennel is the first full-size, field-quality travel kennel designed to fit in the bed of a truck with a bed cover, or inside an SUV. With the Road Dog, your pet can travel in style, protected from the wind, rain, and cold. The Road Dog and the Big Dog are both constructed of aircraft aluminum, tough as nails and built to last. The Road Dog measures 20.5 inches high, 24 inches wide, and 32 inches deep, room enough to accommodate dogs weighing up to 100 pounds. The Big Dog is 32 inches high, 32 inches wide, and 36 inches deep, with room enough to accommodate dogs weighing up to 150 pounds. The Road Dog and the Big Dog features a handy quick clip pin door closure. And both kennels also include a polyethylene bottom liner, perfect for easy cleaning and for holding a bed cushion. The Big Dog and the Road Dog Travel Kennels are both two fantastic products from Great Day.